The floor is yours.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, sir. And it's my pleasure that I am going to present all this regarding the SAP overview in front of all of you. And whatever the sir has told about me, that is, I'm not deserving all those things, but it's my pleasure that even after such a long period of time, he is praising me in front of you, all of you. And yeah, basically just before starting the things, I will give you 2-3 key points. Basically, one person are not able to configure the system properly with respect to CO module. Basically, CO is the receiving end. If you see the CO module, we are not able to do any transaction like the main transaction in the CO module. We are the recipient. CO module are basically recipient, and data is flowing through the FI. All module are integrated, and when the data is flowing, it comes first in FI, and then from FI it is flowing to CO. And CO is basically controlling. It is the call as controlling, and we have to control the cost and all the budget and all the things comes under the CO module. First thing and second thing is that the CO module is for the our internal purpose. It is not for the external. It is for the our internal purpose. That means for the our management purpose. And what the management wants to derive from the system. Basically, they want the different types of reports, whether they are extracting from the legacy system or they have some future plan. We need the such types of reports. So first, when we are doing the configuration, first of all the consultant must have to go through the report. Report is the first thing which give the clear-cut picture how we have to configure the system and what is the requirement of the business from the CEO point of view. In the FICO, if you are talking about the finance side, then it is the standard one. If the expense will be debit, then everywhere in the world expense will be always debit. It is not like that. But that we will credit it. But in the CO module, even for the one plant, some cost may be the direct cost and some cost may be the indirect cost. In another plant, the nature will be changed. Going life of the system or before the go life of the any functionality which we are doing later on even after the go life. That is the basic key thing. And in that time, if they are highlighting whether it is meeting their requirement or not, in that time consultant can also do the better thing. This is just a key point I have given to you. And same thing I have did in all the previous projects. When I am going to configure the CO module, I am starting from the report. What are the reports you are generating right now, or what is your future requirement? Which types of, because simple thing is that we can accumulate the data, we can club the data, but we cannot explain it. Yeah.
Jaji, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Yeah.
There is a small request to all participants. When one person is speaking, it can be Mr. Jaw, me, or anyone of you. Others, please mute your mic because there are disturbances which are happening. So it's a humble request from all participants' side. So except since Mr. Joy is speaking, all of us will go on mute. In case if anybody needs to say something, because it has to be interactive. This is not a webinar. Let us understand that. Webinar after 1.5 hours, we ask questions. No, we can always ask questions in between. Plus, please raise your hand so that the speaker knows that you had raised a hand or anybody knows, then you can ask the question. We request you to get your clarification even during the session. We need not wait. I mean, without disturbing the speaker too much. This is not a webinar. I still repeat, this is a sort of a workshop. So that is one. Only request is when one person speaks, whoever it is, you may please mute your mic. And Jaji, I think In case your voice is not coming, I'll come and let you know. Okay. Thank you.
Okay,
I'm going on
sure.
mute, please. Mr. Jha, you can continue.
Yes, sure. That is the first thing. And second thing is that from the two things, from the banking point of view, even I have got the opportunity where I have implemented the SAP in the two banking sector itself. One is the syndicate bank and another one is the DBS bank. With,
Jaji, your voice is breaking. I think his net must have gone. Jaji, your voice was breaking.
they're not able for it. Okay, minutes. Let me change my seat. Maybe. Just a minute. I am coming. Is it okay, sir, now? Hello, is it okay now?
Yeah, it is okay. Please continue.
Okay, thank you.
Yes,
So now,
Jaji, okay. Please continue.
yeah, thank you, sir. Now, first of all, instead of discussing all the things verbally, and now I am going to present something about the SAP system, and most of the things the person know today is the R3 is old system, and we have come with the S4 HANA system, and we are implementing everywhere the S4 HANA system, and even where the system is ECC system is there, they are also migrating to S4 HANA system. So just I will give the brief overview of the S4 HANA system, and even if someone has any query regarding to R3 or anyone system, they can also ask during that time. Thank you. Yeah, please let me know once you are able to view. Yeah, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, please. Yes.
Yeah, thank you. I'm hiding these things.